U.S. stocks closed higher on Monday, with the Dow gaining 1% and the S&P 500 and Nasdaq each adding more than 0.5%. While the indexes were lifted by gains in chipmakers, small caps also performed well, with the Russell 2000 jumping about 1%. The small cap index has significantly outperformed the S&P 500 and Nasdaq so far in 2026. The broadening of the market is a trend that's likely to continue, said Jason Brown, president of Alexis Investment Partners.
Everybody knows, a lot of the AI trades are done well. Everybody knows we talked, gold did really well about last year and into this year. And so just the natural thing that happens when people decide they want to broaden out and try other things, sometimes those become sources of liquidity, things that people sell, most especially when you have the down days like Friday, but also sometimes even into the follow through up day, simply because everybody owns those. And so they start trying to buy other things instead. And I think we're seeing a healthy amount of that taking place in the spirit of a pretty resilient economy and the spirit of a pretty resilient market overall.
Among those big tech gainers, Palantir Technologies jumped more than 7% in extended trading after the data analytics company said it anticipates a big jump in sales this year, in part due to government contracts. Chip makers benefiting from AI-related demand for their components also rallied. SanDisk surged nearly 15.5%, extending gains from last week when the data storage firm predicted profits and sales above Wall Street estimates. Meanwhile, shares of Advanced Micro Devices rose 4%, and Micron Technology added 5.5%. And shares of Walt Disney tumbled almost 7.5%, despite posting quarterly earnings above Wall Street expectations, as it warned of a decline in international visitors to its U.S. theme parks and a slump in earnings at its TV and film division.